Tim's 2023 Akins Ford F-150 Platinum Black Appearance Package is a money truck, but I know how Tim rolls. He's done a covert with us in the past. His son Jake is getting that covert. He loves the lifestyle. His daughter has a Bronco Sport with the covert edition upgrades as well. But this beauty right here is about to top them all with our 4-inch BDS coilover lift kit, wheels and tires, and much more, y'all. Check out the stock form of this one. This side shot right here really showcases how front side heavy the truck is. Just needs a lot of work, but also out here in the sunlight, this iconic silver showcases how beautiful of a color it is. I'm telling you, y'all, what we got going on right now, F-150 wise, is a showstopper. I literally gave this to my guys up at our shop at Willies at Akins, and Jonathan Armini knocked this out in 24 hours. Can you believe it? A huge, distinct aftershot here compared to the before. Unbelievable, the difference from that stock form to now Everest edition 4-inch lifted on 35s, iconic silver, black appearance package for Tim Hall. Looking amazing with the KMC Technic wheels in 20x9 plus 18 on the offset. It is a money setup. The balance is not too far out. We're sticking out a good 1.5 to 2 inches via BDS Fox coilover suspension kit. Love it, y'all. This truck sits amazing. And it's out here raining hard, but your boy Real Deal, you know, I'm rocking the swag because George is going to the 90. And all is well because we're filming and bringing you custom trucks on the daily, y'all. This is a diamond 4-inch lifted, the perfect balance, rear wheel well liners to go with it, the new open country RT Trail, that new hybrid tire that looks more like a modern day rendition like it should be. Just a great tire, overall longevity. And we incorporated a BT131A rolling lock A-series bed cover, retractable style, my favorite. And we also put him a Trail FX rubber bed mat on top of his spray-in. My kind of guy, I love a spray-in with a bed mat on top. That's the most legit way to do it. And obviously too, Ford is super legit, so you've got the power tailgate up, and with the black appearance package on the inside, you've got all black on black amenities throughout. There's no more of that terracotta tan in here on the black appearance package. Everything's blacked out. Check out that 2023 75th year anniversary logo, looking amazing, making this truck even more special with WeatherTech floor liners to go along with it. Now, we also have, because Tim likes to roll, he's like Real Deal, he wanted a little bit of an exhaust note. So we did the MagnaFlow exhaust with the black appearance package. You already have dual tips from the factory with that limited style bumper, looking amazing. So let's hear a little bit of an exhaust note from MagnaFlow. Not on the wild side, but just enough. No drone on the inside. This exhaust note on a 3.5 liter twin turbo EcoBoost is perfect. It has a little bit of a Raptor vibe to it, but there's no droneness to it or none of that obnoxiously loud exhaust. It's just right when you're in the throttle, and at idle, it is a nice quiet rendition that is perfect. Notice on the black appearance package, the chrome's been deleted in the tail lights. You get a unique black and gray FX4 side badge. Your upper portion there and your lower running board are already blacked out too. You get the nice side badge there too. You get the trimmer hood, you get the trimmer front grille too. Just a great rendition, black appearance package, iconic silver, 2023 Akins Ford Wild Willies and Winder. We are your source. Hit us up. Tim, thanks so much, sir. You've trusted in us for a long time, way before I was even here, of taking care of your family vehicles. We got the daughter on the Bronco Sport. We got F-150 for the son. We got everybody taken care of right here at Akins. So thanks so much. 4-inch lift, 35s, 20s, KMC Technic. He was kind of on the fence about this. Was not our first wheel, I must admit. It was not our first wheel choice, but this wheel looks premium and elegant and off-roadish at the same time for a money setup, y'all. Until next time, hit that subscribe button, give me a like. Real Deal, out.